Okay, we're gonna check out the greenhouse. Okay, I have had to pull some plants out because it's just too dang hot in there. I just have some stuff. I just pulled everything out real quick because it was just so hot in there one day. And it hasn't been too windy or too rainy, so I still have a few things I need to pot up. This purslane is just everywhere, so I'm not sure if I'm going to bother with that, but you can see that everything is a lot more sparse than it was because I've been planting like crazy. This is some mammoth basil, some more tomatoes, some catnip, some coleus, some forget-me-nots, some coleus growing there. These don't look too happy. Some things I pulled out. There's some moonflower, purslane, some sage, some mint. These are things that I just pulled out because they were in my way. There's some passion fruit, some oregano, some goji berries, These are things I just need to get them out and in the ground. These are the tall type crackerjack marigolds. Those are roselle hibiscus, forget-me-nots. Don't worry, I'm not getting you on camera. Some more sweet alyssum. Can never have too much of that. Ooh, these tomatoes are not looking too happy in here. I've got to get these out and in the ground. I think I overplanted tomatoes. I may have to give those away. Some more purslane, more sweet alyssum, and then some peppers. Some cayenne peppers, some sage. My peppers, actually, I'm gonna have to replant all my peppers or go buy some pepper plants. For some reason, they just didn't make it. I don't know why. I think that there was one day where I wasn't on top of watering my seeds. Maybe a day and a half, maybe 2 days. But you got to stay on top of it. You can't let those seeds dry out. Parsley. Wow, look at that. Look how big that purslane is. Catnip, more parsley. Look at all of this purslane. I think I'm going to do some hanging baskets with the purslane. I've got some bok choy that, you know what? I just got tired of planting bok choy. There is a cucamelon. Oh, there's a pepper. What is that? A few of my peppers made it. Jalapeno and jalapeno. And then there's some lettuce I just didn't find any place for. I just didn't get them all planted. This is marshmallow. And this is some more black-eyed Susans. And I've got a whole bunch of snapdragons. And I love snapdragons and I want them everywhere. So I've really been trying to prioritize, okay, what do I care the most about? In case I run out of steam, in case, you know, something happens to me. What do I care the most about getting in the ground? And then I grab that flat or a couple of those flats. Like for me, the last week, it was tomatoes and basil. And then I'm like, okay, what do I need to pull out to protect the tomatoes? Well, the basil will do that, help give it some protection from pests and things. What else? The marigolds. So I started interplanting the marigolds all around cauliflower and cabbages. And sometimes what I care the most about is something I've never grown before. Like I just want to see, like the buckwheat. Sometimes I just... I don't know. It's my mood for the year. Depends on what's going on. And there's a lot going on. So I've just been trying to get stuff in the ground. You know, I'll make out all my plans. I'll draw it all out. And sometimes I plan everything and then I draw it out. But the most dangerous thing for me is whenever I plant a seed and I don't put a marker there. So I got to make sure that I put a marker there because I've planted seed on top of seed before. That'll do it for this one. Until next time, bye for now.